Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna make a clap switch using Arduino. It's gonna be a very interesting project. You can control your electronic devices such as lights, fans and many other devices with a clap. So whenever you clap, the switch turns on, and when you clap again, the switch goes off. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's start this video. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, which is one of the largest PCB manufacturing company of China. First, I've created the schematic diagram of the project. Then I created PCB layout and generated Gerber files and upload them to JLC PCB website. After that, I have selected all the required parameters such as dimension, quantity, color, and a few more options. After that, I click on Save to Cart. This will send our project into shopping cart. Then I click on Checkout securely. Then I add my shipping address and select my desired shipping and payment method. After a few days, I have received the PCBs. Let's open up the parcel and look at the PCBs. As you can see, the PCB quality is excellent. Silk screen, solder mask, everything is perfect. These are all the components we're gonna need for this project. First, I'm gonna connect Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect a mic sensor and connect its VCC pin to 5/4 pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground pin of Arduino, and its out pin to D12 pin of Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect a relay module and connect its VCC pin to 5/4 pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground pin of Arduino, and its in pin to D13 pin of Arduino, and connect its common pin to ground. Now we need to connect the device we want to control with clap switch. I'm gonna use a 12 volt LED strip. So I connect the 12 volt LED strip and connect its negative pin to normally closed pin of the relay and its positive pin to 12 volt supply. So we have completed all the connections. Now let's test the project.